Namaste everyone. Today we are going to work with visible collarbones. Alright, 10 best collarbone exercises that you can do anytime, anywhere. Okay, you can add this to your workout routine when you're traveling, anywhere. Okay, when you're working, just do a little bit of shrugging and the exercises that I'm showing you today. All right, so let's get started. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on your bed, you can stand, whatever feels good. The first one is shoulder shrug. All right, so bringing your hands to your waist, lift the shoulders up and down. Lift the shoulders up and down. Yes, keep going. Up and down. Up and down. Very nice. Keep going. 15 more seconds. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. And relax. All right. Next one. Bring your elbows here. Open, squeeze the shoulder blades and back. Squeeze the shoulder blades and back. Squeeze, open the chest. Really squeeze. Keep going. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you close. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you close. You can also start pushing the chest a little bit forward. Very good. And relax. The third one, bringing the hands, interlace the fingers behind your back. And let's begin. Bring it together, squeeze back. Bring it together, squeeze back. Yes. This will really help you with your collarbone area to make it come out. Also will help with neck, shoulders and upper back. Opening your armpits. Keep breathing. A few more. And release. Next one we are going to do is a neck tilt. So bring your right hand to to the left side of your head and move it to the side and up. Side and up. Really feel that stretch. Very nice. Keep going. And let's go to the other side. Left hand to the right side of the head. Stretch it out. It's feeling good, right? It's a very relaxing session as well. Gives you great results. And release. The next one, let's pinch our shoulders here and do some nice shoulder circles. I want you to squeeze the shoulder blades. Yes. And let's go the other way. Keep your chest open. And release. Next one is bicep stretch. So take your left hand, bend it, bend the right arm on it, and squeeze like this. Yes. Good job. Feeling that stress in your upper back going and the shoulders. And the other one. Left side stretch. You'll feel that whole stretch happening in your whole shoulder and arm. And release. Just take 2-3 deep breaths before we move on to the next one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right. Come onto your knees. Okay, you can just be on the knees here. Interlace the fingers, roll the shoulders back, and move the arms up and down like this. Keep smiling. This is really good because when you're doing this, can you see the shoulder blades are pulling back and the collarbones is working the collarbones. And release. Next one. Prayer reach. Okay? So bringing your hands in prayer position and just raise them up and down. Raise them up and down. Up and down. Try to straighten the elbows. I try very hard to straighten my elbows because my right part of my arm is much tighter. Couple more seconds. All right. Now the next one, we are going to squeeze the shoulder blades. Okay, so see, I'm just going to squeeze. So imagine there's something here. You squeeze the shoulder blades and come back. Squeeze. 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 This is very good even when you're just walking. So simple to keep squeezing and releasing. Squeezing and releasing. and relax. Okay, next one, you're just holding your arms, okay? And you drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up. Just like so. I want to face you guys. I'm missing you guys. Drop, up, drop, up. Ah, feeling good? And release. Next one, arm circles. All right, so bringing your arms out, go in one direction first. Keep your arms steady. And the other way. I got confused there. Which way? And relax. Just twist a little bit, relax your body. Just let your arms hang loose. Ha ha ha. Work done. This will really help create visible collarbones. Do this every day. It is such a short 10-minute practice. It'll really help. Also, it really helps with neck, shoulders and upper back as well. So dual effect, right? Multitasking. Okay? Love you all. Namaste and see you soon. Subscribe for very nice different videos. They'll keep coming your way.